Hi guys, welcome back to my bloggy vlog. As you all can tell by the title of this video, this is a prep with me for uni. Yeah, so I was on the way to the dentist with my lovely sisters. Yeah, and guys, I just got to the dental clinic and I was just waiting for the doctor to call me in. I never knew. I was kind of excited because that was actually going to be my first ever dental visit, but I never knew that it was not going to be as exciting because it was painful, excruciatingly painful, you all. Yeah, so the dentist was preparing to carry out a procedure called the root canal treatment because apparently I had a cavity that was getting worse. The procedure had started at this point and I was looking pretty, and yeah, I applied lip gloss because why not? Because I'm getting a root canal treatment doesn't mean I won't look good while doing it. Guys, when he was about to put this analgesic, good. When you think that something is going to hurt but it does not hurt, because this, I didn't even feel a thing here. This is where I actually felt something. En route to the markets.
Give me a paper towel, give me another valley, give me another hour or two, hour with you. Why you bother me when you know you don't want me? Why you bother me when you know you got a woman? Why you hit me when you know better? Know you know better, know you cool better than you do. Call me looking for you, I'll be looking for you. Got me looking forward to weekends. Sure baby, sure baby, sure baby. We do whatever we want, go wherever we want, love however we want, it don't matter. You do whatever I want, give whatever I want, give whatever I need. It's about love, long as we got love. One crowd, bust the milk. Give me a paper towel, give me another valley, give me another hour or two, hour with you. Why you bother me when you know you don't want me? Why you bother me when you know you got a woman? Why you hit me when you know better? Know you know better, know you cool better than you do. Call me looking for you, I'll be looking for you. Got me looking forward to weekends. Sure baby, sure baby, sure baby. We do whatever we want, go wherever we want, love however we want, it don't matter. You do whatever I want, give whatever I want, give whatever I need. It's about love. Long as we got love. One crowd, bust the milk. Give me a paper towel, give me another valley, give me another hour or two, hour with you. Why you bother me when you know you don't want me? Why you bother me when you know you got a woman? Why you hit me when you know better? Know you know better, know you cool better than you do. Got me looking for you. I'll be looking for you. Got me looking forward to weekend. Sure, baby. Sure, baby. Sure, baby. We do whatever we want, go wherever we want, love whatever we want. It don't matter. You do whatever I want, get whatever I want, get whatever I need. It's about love, love, love. Long as we got love, love. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I don't you want you want.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Say if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high.
So I go touch you, Abi. I go touch you, Abi. You get off, well, get off. I go eat.
Go.
I recognize your fragrance, hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit, and I know your taste is a little bit, high maintenance, everybody else basic, you live life on an everyday basis, with poetic justice, if I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs, dedicated to you, and you're in the mood for empathy, there's blood in my pen, better yet with your friends and them, I really wanna know you all, I really wanna show you off. Fuck God, pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and your girl in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. Nigga don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga that ain't good game home is sorry. They say conversation rule a nation. I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. Don't you want you want? Oh, I think I'm just good at this song. Alright. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dolls that I grew beside. All the niggas round me, right and they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Who am I? All the niggas round me, right and they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I just caught a shorty off a Finsta. Just the one I'm really, it's a screenshot. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things have started getting tense up. Think we need to have a sun adventure. I could be a man, but maybe down the road. Right now I would rather see my heart turn to chrome. Rather see my heart turn crystal. I can't even front like I don't miss you. Right now I'm just stuck inside the crib on my own. Soon as I free up, I'm about to pop up on your phone. Like I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, PT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Who am I? All the niggas round me, right and die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. Two-turn baby.
Work. Work. To me, I be work. You see me do me that. Tell me about that work. When you walk a line. I'm in the cafe, man, drive me a dessert. No time to have you lurking. You make a like me, I like it. You know I dealt with you the nicest. Nobody touched me in the righteous. Nobody text me in a crisis. I believed all of your dreams are duration. You took my heart and my keys
of my patience. You to my heart, I must leave a decoration. You mistaken my love, I brought for you for foundation. All that I wanted from you was to give me something that I never had, something that you never seen, something that you never been. But I wake up and nothing's wrong. Just get ready for work, 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 work. To me, I be work, 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 work. You see me do me dirt, 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 dirt. Tell me about that work, 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 work. When you walk a line, 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 line. I'm in the cafe, my dirt, 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 dirt. Beg you something, please. Baby, don't you leave. Don't leave me stuck here in the streets. If I get another chance to, I will never, no, never neglect you. I mean, who am I to hold your past against you? I just hope that it gets to you. I hope that you see this through. I hope that you see this true. What can I say? Please recognize I'm trying. They send me up there. You see me do my da 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 da. Tell me about that when you are la 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 la. And the girl from my da 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 da.
Ou se yon bad gal, yon real from black gal. Tourne yon bad man, tellement son hot gal. Your body son poison, le ou move en slow motion. Bet it that way. Ven nan kouya doum jen potion. Le ou work, 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 work. Le ou descend bi babli, 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 ba. Le living bi dirt, 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 dirt. Le ou glase yon tan kou yon oula, oula, ou. Baby, baby, do the work, 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 work.